Alright, so first thing first, let's start the project by clicking on the file and new project. Select the Windows File application and press OK. Alright, now we just made a form here, so select it and go over to the text properties of that and change it to alarm clock. Okay, next thing is I don't want the user to be able to change the size of that software we just made. So from border style, I'm gonna make it fixed single. Okay. So next I'm gonna go over to change the size of that form. So 300 by 300, I'm gonna put it. Okay, now that's done. We just have to put background image to our form so that it looks a little bit better. So let's head over to the Photoshop. Okay, now we are in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CS6 for this project. So file, new. Okay, I'm gonna put everything in pixel. So width, I'm gonna put it 300 and height to 300 also. Okay, and resolution is a bit higher, so don't mind that. So anyway, so now I have already a setup image. So there you go. I'm gonna lock that and drag it over to our canvas. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the edit and select the free transform to size it with our canvas. And quick tip that there is, you can use the shift key to position it properly, uniformly, I mean. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use arrow keys, okay, to position it correctly. Alright, now that's done, let's make a new layer from here. Okay, now I'm just gonna use our rectangle marquee tool there, and I'm gonna mark just about this area. There you go. And I'm gonna get the black color and put the bucket tool, clean bucket tool, and fill with black. There you go. Alright, now I'm gonna just go opacity and lower the opacity to about 38%, 35, 36%. That's enough for, I guess. Anyway, so that's done. Let's make some text. So select the text and alarm clock. There you go. So I'm gonna just resize it again. So let's head over to the edit and free transform, and let's just resize it so that it fits with our background image. There you go. Okay, press enter. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, our text is not clearly visible to the normal eye, so we have to fix that. So let's select it and change the color as you want. Okay, now that's done, let's just double click on the text layer and give it a stroke so that it'll be much more visible, and the size will be 3, and press OK. Alright, now our background is done and it's sort of looking really nice. So let's just save it. So file, save as, and the format should be JPG, and I'm gonna name this form BG underscore the resolution, which is 300x300, and then save it and press OK. Alright, now that's done, let's head over to the Visual Basic. Okay, we are in Visual Basic and select the form, and we just have to change the background image of that. So let's head over to the background image and local resort. I'm gonna import that image which is made. So select that image and open it and press OK. Okay, now it's looking good, but the thing is the image is not fit with the form. So we have to fix that. The simple fix is background image layout, which is here, and we just have to make it stretch. Yeah, it's fit with background, just a little bit height to make it a little bit better. Yeah, it's fit with the form. So let's grab a button and let's change the name of this to okay, set alarm underscore btn. Yeah, and let's change the text property of this to set alarm. Okay, so that's done. Let's change the size. Width gonna be 100 and the height gonna be about 30. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now we just have to change, make a background image for our button. So let's go over to the Photoshop. Alright, in the Photoshop, I don't need this background anymore, so I'm just gonna close this, and I'm gonna just go File and New Canvas, and I'm just gonna select the width to 100 and the height to 30, as we have just selected as our button, and press OK. Okay, now let's zoom a little bit, and then just hold down your mouse on Paint Bucket tool, and you will get the gradient tool. And from here you will get the gradient bar, and as you can see there is 2 points, which is one is the first point and another one at the end is the second point. You can add more points if you want. Just double click on that to select the color. So I'm just gonna play with the color a bit to get a good look. So there you go. Now when you're done, so just press OK, and now just press Shift and drag it over your layer. Yeah, and the magic happens here. Okay, let's make a new layer and get the marquee tool, and I'm just gonna select some of this area. Yeah, and then I'm just gonna put the white color on there. So get the Paint Bucket tool. There you go. And I'm just gonna fill the white, and the same way opacity, I'm just gonna play with the opacity bit, and there you go. So as you can see, we have made our button background, but the thing is I just want to make a stroke, so just double click on the background layer and give it a stroke about 1, and the position should be inside also. So there you go. Now let's just save it. So File, Save As. Okay, now I'm gonna put the format to JPG again, and I'm gonna name it button PG underscore the resolution, which is 100x30. Okay, now save it and press OK. Okay, let's go back to the Visual Basic. Okay, so let's select the button now and go over to the background image of the button and select this little icon and local resort and import the background image of the button and press OK. Okay, now that's done. So let's just make the background image layout, which is here, background image layout to stretch. Okay, and another thing is that we have to change the flat style also. You asked me why, because as you can see there is a little border around the button, so we have to fix that. So standard to pop up. So there you go. Alright, now the button is looking really nice. Okay, so let's just play the software to see how it looks. Okay, so everything is looking good. Just the font of that button, it doesn't look that good, so we have to change that. So select the button, go over to the font, there you go, and let's change the font name to Hobos STD, which we have used in Photoshop. So let's just change it, and also the size of the font, let's change it about 15 to 12. Yeah, that looks good. And then make sure the bold property is false. Okay, let's get a level now, and let's change the level text properties to current time. Okay, now the font, we have to change the font for our level also. Okay, Hobo STD, and we have to change the size of the font also. So let's make it 15 about, yeah, and everything is set. And so the fore color, I'm gonna change it to white, and we have to change the back color also. So back color, we're going to change it to go web and transparent. So now we have to position it so that it looks good with the background. So there you go. Now let's just copy this beneath the level. So yeah, and let's just go over to the text properties of that and change it to like clock. So 00:00:00, and then go over to the font, and I'm gonna make the size to 25. Yeah, and position with my arrow keys. Okay. Let's just position it a little bit lower. Alright, the video is already 10 minutes over, so we have to fast forward it till I make another button, so please bear with me. Alright, so what I did here, that I created two buttons. One is plus and minus with 30 by 30 pixel. So here I'm just gonna go over to the Photoshop, and let's just close this and create a new canvas with the width 30 and height to 30, and press OK. Alright, now just zoom a bit, and let's just select the elliptical marquee tool. Yep, that one. And then let's make a circle by pressing Shift and then drag it like that. Okay, now let's just get our gradient tool again, and the color is already selected, so we're just gonna drag it like that, and that's gonna give us the color we want. Okay, now last thing and all is that we just have to double click on the layer and go over to the stroke and position it inside of that layer. And let's just size make it 2. Yeah, that's gonna look good. Okay, let's our button is ready, so let's just save it. So file, save as, and go select the PNG. Well, it's a transparent background and we want that transparency, so we have to save it as PNG. Don't save it as JPG. So let's just name it button underscore the resolution, which is 30x30 underscore trans. So and save it and press OK. Okay, and let's go over to the Visual Basic, and we have to change the background of the button. So background image, it's just local resource. Let's just import it, and let's select the button and open it. Yeah, that looks good. And now we have to fix the little border down it and the transparency. So first let's make the stretch, and then back color. This is very important that we have to change it to transparent, the back color of the button. And still it's not changing to transparency because of the flat style, so we have to change the flat style to pop up, and as you can see, and now it's transparent as its background. So yeah. Alright, so now let's just increase the font of this to about 15. So yeah, 15. And notice how it puts the text a little bit lower. So we have to fix that by go over to the use compatible text rendering. We have to make it true. Yeah, that's gonna fix the problem. So we're gonna do the same thing with another button. So let's go over to the background image and put the same image, import, and that image, open, and click OK. Alright, and then back color, make it web transparent, go over to the flat style, flat style, go over to the pop-up, and it's gonna fix everything. Then let's just put the text to minus, and then go over to the font. Where is it? Font. And let's just make the size of it to 15, and then use compatible text rendering to true. Alright, so now everything is done. All we need to do is just copy this and paste it over to the minutes tab. Yeah, so that's gonna look better. And then you just have to play with these buttons and levels so that it looks good with your background. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you understand why I made this kind of tutorial. I mean design tutorial, because from the next day I'm gonna be making all the application with this kind of background, and so that you don't have to ask me over and over that how I made this kind of design. So and I'm really sorry that I couldn't make videos these days because my computer broke for some reason, so I bought a new computer and a mic. And so hope you guys enjoy, and really thanks for your support that I wasn't here, but still you guys were subscribing me and was sharing my videos, and really that's I really appreciate your support. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends, families, and Facebook. And by the way, don't forget to click on this button because it's gonna send you a message whenever I make a new video. So see you in the next tutorial.